have this pork tenderloin that I took out of the freezer, and I thought I would make some pulled pork out of it. It's already seasoned with a Tuscan herb, and what I'm going to do is put this in my crock pot with roughly a cup of water and a beef bouillon cube, and I'll let that just slow cook for about 6 hours. So here it goes. It's just as simple. Add in a cup of water, 1 beef bouillon cube, and the pork tenderloin. Get all those seasonings out in there. You move that into the middle. And I'm gonna set this on low, cover it, and just let that do its thing while I'm out for the day. I'll see you back in about 6 hours or so. I arrived home roughly an hour ago, and as soon as I opened the door, I could smell the delicious aroma coming from the crock pot. So now let's take off the lid and reveal what we have here. Ooh, that smells really, really good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in with 2 forks and just kind of pull the meat apart. I went ahead and I brought the camera in a little bit closer so that you can see. Oh, this meat is so tender. It's so perfect. And it is just pulling apart so easily. And although there's some juice in here, it seems like a lot right now, but as soon as I get this all pulled apart, that's gonna just mix in with the meat and it's gonna be extra, extra tender. Okay, so I will go ahead and I will continue shredding the meat apart with my forks. And I'll come back and give you a look as soon as I'm done with this. My pork is now all shredded and it looks and smells absolutely amazing. I think I might have failed to mention that I did start some rice in the rice cooker. That is now done, and I'm steaming some vegetables on the stove in a saucepan, and that should be done in about a minute. And so I'll come back in just another minute and I will serve dinner so y'all can see. My dinner is now done, so it's time to serve things out. I'm gonna first start with a big scoop of rice. Maybe I'll add a little bit more to that. Okay, that looks really good. Button that down a little bit. And then I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna add in my pork on the top. Nice big scoop. And some green beans. Because of course, you know, we do have to have a vegetable in there. And that looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to bite into that.